Welcome to HFS Lifestyle, where we explore the vastness of our universe and the intricacies of our existence. Today we embark on a mind-boggling journey to discover our place in the grand scheme of things. Buckle up and prepare to be amazed. Have you ever stopped to consider just how small or large things are in relation to us? Let's start by comparing ourselves to a 3-story building, which stands at about 10 meters tall. In comparison, we are 6 times smaller, just like how a cute squirrel measures around 27 centimeters. So, in a way, the 3-story building is as big relative to us as we are to a squirrel. It's quite fascinating to think about. But here's the mind-blowing revelation. You are actually in the middle of everything in the universe. From tiny creatures like the rufous hummingbird, which flies incredible distances between Alaska and Mexico. Imagine if the rufous hummingbird were the same size as an A320 aircraft. It would circle the Earth a staggering 85 times every year. On the other end of the scale, we have the largest ant in the world, the Dinopanera, which is about 55 times smaller than you. These ants build impressive nests, even reaching depths of 1. If we humans lived like Dinopanera, we would construct towering 25-story buildings and ruthlessly compete for status within them. Fascinating, isn't it? Now let's consider the mosquito, a tiny insect that is 235 times smaller than you. Despite its size, it wreaks havoc on us, causing immense devastation. On the other side, we have the magnificent Empire State Building, which is about 235 times larger than you. It's incredible to think about the immense impact these seemingly tiny or massive objects can have. Let's dive even deeper into the realms that push the borders of human perception. Think about coarse grains of sand, measuring around 3 millimeters. They are 550 times smaller than you, yet you can feel their shape and roughness between your fingers. These grains of sand play a crucial role in constructing massive structures like the Burj Khalifa, which stands at a staggering 828 meters tall and is 500 times larger than you. If you were that tall, people would appear as small as grains of sand in your hand. It's essential to care for these seemingly insignificant objects that hold immense power. Shifting from physical scale to a different dimension, consider the size of a medium-sized city like Lisbon. It is approximately 6,000 times larger than yourself. As you navigate through the intricate network of highways, roads, it's fascinating to see how our own inner workings mirror the systems in which we live. Zooming in further, we encounter the world of cells and microorganisms. A typical skin cell measures about 30 micrometers in diameter, while a neutrophil is half the size. Red blood cells, on the other hand, are merely 7 micrometers. In comparison, the Tokyo metropolitan area, the largest urban area in the world, spans over 160 kilometers. You are so incredibly large, filled with complexity and a multitude of moving parts. It's truly awe-inspiring. Now brace yourself as we venture beyond the boundaries of our planet. Germany, a country approximately 875 kilometers from north to south, is also the 4th biggest agricultural exporter in the world. Take a moment to appreciate the vital role played by the rhizobia bacteria, which are only 3 micrometers long. Without them, such agricultural production would be impossible. It's incredible how interconnected and reliant we are on these small organisms. As we gaze into the vastness of space, we encounter our cosmic guardian, the Sun. This colossal star is 10 times bigger than Jupiter and 1 billion times larger than you. It controls all the planets, providing the energy that drives life as we know it. On the other end of the scale, we find the boss of our body, the DNA strand. It is 1 billion times smaller than you, yet contains all the information necessary for your existence. These fundamental forces shape our very being. Our journey takes us to the farthest reaches of our understanding. Neptune, a cold blue gas giant, is 4 times wider than Earth, while the monstrous Jupiter is a staggering 140,000 kilometers in diameter. Alongside these colossal giants, we have the smallest of particles, such as the West Nile virus, measuring a mere 50 nanometers in diameter. These viruses possess the power to infiltrate and devastate even lung cells that are up to 500 times larger than themselves. It's like attempting to vanquish a giant with a screwdriver. Truly astonishing. But behold, the true boss of our solar system is the Sun itself. It is 1 billion times bigger than you, controlling all the planets and serving as the ultimate source of energy. Yet, if we delve deeper into the mysteries of our existence, it contains the information that sustains life. You stand at the very center balancing these opposing forces. As we delve further into the dimensions that defy comprehension, we encounter distances and sizes that surpass our ability to comprehend. The observable universe, spanning 93 billion light-years in diameter, is simply mind-boggling. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, the scale becomes unfathomable, and our understanding begins to break down. In this vast and awe-inspiring universe, you find yourself in the middle. From the smallest subatomic interactions to the largest celestial bodies, you are intricately connected to it all. Reflect upon this as you navigate through life's choices, knowing that even the smallest actions can have profound consequences, and the most gigantic challenges can be overcome with determination and ingenuity. This incredible journey through scales and dimensions is not just an exploration of size and distance, but a profound reminder of our place in the cosmos. It highlights the interconnectivity of all things, from the microscopic to the cosmic. As we contemplate the enormity of the universe and the intricacies of the microscopic world, we realize that each of us is a vital part of this grand tapestry. In this cosmic dance of sizes and scales, we are both significant and insignificant. We are small enough to be humbled by the vastness of the universe, yet large enough to house trillions of cells and be a universe unto ourselves. This duality is a beautiful paradox that speaks to the complexity and wonder of our existence. As we close this chapter of our journey, remember that your actions, no matter how small, ripple across the cosmos. Your choices, dreams, and desires are significant in the grand scheme of things. You are a unique and essential part of this vast, interconnected universe. Thank you for joining us on this awe-inspiring adventure on HFS Lifestyle. If you enjoyed this voyage through the realms of size and scale, don't forget to like. Until next time, keep looking up and within, for in both directions lie wonders beyond imagination. Stay curious, keep exploring, and always remember, you are at the center